Hi, Mr. Laudermilk. This is Sherry from 690 Garden Hills Loop. This is at Buckhead East, Brookhaven. This is a very new subdivision. So they've only built 5, 6, 7, 8 houses so far that I could see. There's your 2-car garage. Pillars with the River Rock, I think that's what you call it. The River Rock elevation. First thing you come into is flex space. This is your living room. Look through from the kitchen. Also serves as a breakfast bar. Archways. Dining area. And your kitchen. With island. The half bath. Plumbing, and then the plumbing for the water. There's a little niche. I'm not quite sure what that's for. But we'll go back around and we have a closet right here. That door leads to the garage. That door is the closet. And this must be this is a bedroom. It does have a closet. Okay, we'll go upstairs. Stepping into the master at the very top of the stairs to the right. Tray ceilings, 3 windows, and then over to the sitting area, which leads to the bath. Garden tub connected to the shower, and then the sink and the commode is going to be in there, and where the sitting area was, it has the closet inside. Back out of the room where the stairs are, and here are the top of the stairs. So you have this bedroom. I know the lighting changes if I'm in a darker light spot. And then that's the bathroom. The laundry area. That's the fourth bedroom. That's the linen closet. And then that last bedroom. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fifth bedroom. All right. Thank you.